Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 4th Annual Health Justice Conference at SUNY Upstate Medical University. My name is Samantha Williams. My pronouns are she, her, and I am the Logistics Chair.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you again for joining us today. My name is Angelina. My pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I am the Community Outreach Chair.
Good morning, everyone. It's so great to see everyone gathered for our conference. My name is Isabel. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm the Marketing Chair. Before we get started, we want to acknowledge that SUNY Upstate Medical University resides on the ancestral lands of the Onondaga and Haudenosaunee. This acknowledgement is not nearly enough to honor the people and the land, but we hope that this acknowledgement promotes the visibility of Indigenous peoples and raises awareness about Indigenous history and culture. If you are interested in learning more about Native American culture and history in relation to our healthcare system, we encourage you to attend Dr. Brian Thompson's presentation taking place during session B at 11:05 a.m. If you are unable to attend the session, the presentation will be recorded and posted on our website in the coming days. Now, without further delay, I would like to introduce Dean Lawrence Chin before he gives his opening remarks. Dr. Lauren S. Chin is the Dean of the College of Medicine and the Robert B. and Molly G. King Endowed Professor of Neurosurgery at SUNY Upstate Medical University. He is a native of Michigan and received his BS and MD degrees from the University of Michigan, followed by a neurosurgery residency at USC LA County Hospital. He joined the University of Maryland in 1994, where he became Professor of Neurosurgery and was Director of Neuro-Oncology and the Gamma Knife Center. In 2006, he became Chair of Neurosurgery at Boston University, and in 2011 was named Chair of Neurosurgery at SUNY Upstate and the Neurosurgery Residency Program Director. Just prior to becoming Interim Dean on September 16, 2019, he was chair of the governing board of the SUNY Upstate Faculty Practice Plan. Dr. Chin specializes in brain tumor, skull base, and spine surgery. He has published over 150 articles and book chapters. Dr. Chin was named permanent dean of the College of Medicine on January 30th, 2020. Dean Chin, you now have the floor. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you, Isabel. I want to welcome all of you to the Health Justice Conference 2021. I'm Larry Chin, and I have the privilege of being Dean of the College of Medicine at Upstate. This is the 4th year of a conference that has grown in size and scope every year, and with the virtual event this year reaching more people than ever. I want to thank our 3 amazing students, Samantha, Angelina, and Isabel, for their unbelievable hard work in organizing this conference and for inviting me to start the day off. I also want to acknowledge all of the volunteers who are too numerous to name, but you will find them in your booklet, and especially the founders of this conference, Sydney, Adobe, and Tanisha, who started with the seed of an idea, and look at how this event has blossomed. These students inspire me to do my best every day for the medical school. Now, I must give you the disclaimer that I am not a content expert in the areas that we will be learning about today. I am, however, an eager student and have the fortune of being able to help guide the direction of our College of Medicine into the future. At a recent seminar, we were discussing leadership styles, and I shared my thoughts on having a vision for the College of Medicine. I reflected that there must be some basic tentpoles that build your worldview, and that these tentpoles will change depending on your position and role. For me as dean, the well-being and education of our medical students is the central pillar. But other key pillars are building the role of the healthcare provider in society and advocating for equitable healthcare delivery and outcomes. That means training a diverse group of students and helping them in finding and amplifying their voice in the process. We have over 55 student interest groups and organizations, and an active presence in the community through the Center for Civic Engagement led by Simone Seward. This conference is a shining example of how our students are providing leadership as they begin their journey in transforming our future. So I wanted to keep my comments very brief this morning because I want you to have plenty of time to enjoy this conference. So I invite you to enjoy this conference, and as you're learning and participating, be inspired about how you will engage in creating a more equitable and just society. I know that I will be exactly doing that. I want to thank you again for giving me this opportunity, and let's get started.